everyone, Bethany here and welcome to my channel. Today I am playing with the January Not Too Shabby Shops paper pad subscription, and the first one is Elephant Love. I will link down below the first video that I did with these, and I really love the purple, the elephants. I think they're fantastic. And then the second one is the Perfectly Snuggly with the kitties, the glitter, just so much fun to be had with these. And what I am going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and run this page, which is basically ephemera. There's printed paper on the back side, but I'm going to run it through my scan and cut, and then we're going to start playing with some of the paper. So I've gone ahead and grabbed a shimmer card base from Michaels. I cut down a piece of sugar plum cardstock from Maker Forte, and I cut it down a 1/4 inch less than the A2 size, which would be 4 inches by 5 1/4, and that'll be my frame for the outside of the paper. But then I cut this down an extra 1/4 inch smaller, so 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And then I used the extra that I cut off, and I am going to just add a little bit of shimmer using my Wink of Stella from Stampin' Up. And I didn't squeeze it at all. But basically this shimmer will tie in with the shimmer of the card base, which will be basically the outer frame. And I'm going to go ahead and add more Wink of Stella to this dream. I stamped and cut out from the Unicorn Dreamland. I believe the Not Too Shabby shop still has it in stock. If it does, I will post it down below. But I am just going to add little bits of shimmer and make this dream stand out. I'm not going to be too heavy-handed because it does have a tendency to change the coloring when you are. So trying to use very light strokes. And now I'm going to add a little bit to the actual ephemera right there in the middle to tie it all in. It shouldn't change the coloring on the ephemera, but it adds that little bit of glamour and glitz. And now I'm just going to go ahead and assemble. Using my Barely Art glue, I'm going to start from the back layer and work my way forward and eyeballing that as close to center as possible. Then next adding my pattern paper. I really like the paper in the back too. I think that's really cute. And trying to make that as centered as possible as well. Now I'm going to add the little band. Nice thin layer of glue. I don't need too much. I'm going to add the dream first. I could just literally leave it without the ephemera too, because I think that's really pretty and really cute. I'm going to go ahead and add some foam tape to the back of the flowers and just let them grace right over that little band, and then adding foam tape to the back of the elephant mom and baby. And you could turn this into a baby shower card, a uplifting card, whatever you want. And then I'm going to just focal point that baby and mama right there as center as possible, and there is card number 1. For this next one, I have pulled out all of the teal pieces of printed paper that I really like. I'm going to use the shimmer card base, and what I'm going to do, I have an idea in my head and I'm hoping it translates well, but I am going to try to create a belly band without an actual belly band. So that means I'm going to do a little bit of piecing and measuring. So let me go ahead and cut down my paper. I did 3 3/4 by 2 inches for the elephant section, and then 3 3/4 by 2 1/4 inches, so it's just slightly larger on the top. Now what I'm going to do before I do anything else or add anything else, I'm going to commit by gluing this down. And I had to write these down on paper because I wanted to leave enough space for my belly band look and for my sentiment, because what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to stamp the sentiment directly onto the card back. Gives it a little bit different dimension. Both of these patterns are super cute. I am using the Color Hive Grape color from Maker Forte. I love this color. It's so pretty in person. And hopefully I've put enough on my stamp here. Just eyeballing it to make sure I am straight as I can be. And there we go. We have You Are Amazing. And this is going to go towards a mother who is amazing. Now I'm going to add the ephemera. And now for the last bit of excitement, I'm going to add these light teal gem pieces. They are something that I've been trying to use up, that have been laying around for a while. 2023 is definitely the year of use it or lose it. And originally I was going to put some on the bottom, but I think I'm going to just stick with putting the jewels on the top. And that one just shines and shimmers. The back also has a shimmery look to it as well, so that really ups the pizzazz on this card. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorials. Don't forget to drop a like, click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will have links down below for my shop, the Not Too Shabby shop, and other places that you might find some amazing goodies at. There are affiliate links down there, so please check them out. And I hope to see you all very soon. Don't forget to find the joy in your day, and happy making. Bye! With the Not Too Shabby shop's paper. Apparently I've forgotten how to add foam tape to something. There we go. I can add foam tape now. The joys of crafting by the seat of your pants. If it comes out, maybe it won't. My pen is getting old. I can tell. I can't choose which of these cards I like the most. I should probably start cleaning up before my children start digging into all of my stuff. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I hope my tongue doesn't get twisted up too fast, too much. And I need my voice back. Okay, la 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 la. Man, the outtakes today are going to be like 15 minutes long at this point. Oh well. Hope you guys like my outtakes. Glad I could add some joy and humor to your day.